wuxi ZHONGHUI Wire and Cable Company Limited, commonly known as ZHONGHUI, is a professional manufacturer focused on the production of electrical wires and cables, power cables, as well as photovoltaic wires. We have been in business since 2001, and since that time, we have perfected our products as well as our production process. In addition, we are in full compliance with China Quality Management Certification, UL certification from the US, VDE and TUV certifications from Germany, as well as safety certificates from 24 countries, including Australia, Switzerland, Brazil, Argentina, and many European countries. We have established performance test labs with complete testing facilities. The laboratory is very eco-friendly, fully complying with the environmental policies of the European Union. Our manufacturing complex is fully equipped with best-in-class production equipment. In addition, our fully automatic plug production line helps to realize a strict management of the manufacturing process. Therefore, our PVC products fully meet customers' requirements and are available in a wide range of options and are ideal for use with power tools, water pumps, household appliances, and electrical industries. The workshop shown behind me is an electrical wire and cable production workshop, fully equipped with high-speed bunching machines and a high-speed cabling machine, plastic extrusion machine, and a continuous vulcanizing line. Our continuous vulcanizing line features a best-in-class monitoring system for outer diameter, air pressure, and speed. Thus, the production and operation condition of different production lines is fully controlled. This is ZHONGHUI's plug manufacturing workshop, which is outfitted with a cable cutter and roller stroping machine, silent terminal crimping machine, cable crimping machine, injection molding machine, and automatic plug tester, etc. Meanwhile, besides this common manufacturing equipment, ZHONGHUI is also equipped with many semi-automatic or fully automatic production lines, especially these 3 fully automatic production lines, allowing the completion of multiple manufacturing procedures from cable cutting to cable supports installation in one operation. Utilizing our meticulous manufacturing system, labor costs are reduced while production efficiency and product quality are improved.